Thank you for taking the time to watch this presentation of the Scribe Online connector for E-conomic. Specifically, I will demonstrate a solution that integrates CRM Online and E-conomic, providing any small company who uses these applications with a more streamlined, efficient business. This solution is included with a connector for free and works with Dynamics CRM 2011 Online. For this demonstration, I have logged into CRM Online and E-conomic. I will start with creating a new customer in CRM. When the customer is created in CRM, you will need to add an email address, as the email address will be used as the primary identifier when a customer is created in E-conomic. Once created in E-conomic, the account number will be brought over into CRM and the customer record will be updated. Going forward, the account number will be used as the unique identifier. If you already use the account number field in CRM, you can modify the solution to use another field for storing the E-conomic number. This solution includes detailed documentation, such as identifying fields that need to be created in CRM. This information is required by E-conomic in order to create a new customer. Again, the documentation identifies these fields and tells you how to create them. The solution only synchronizes accounts that are set to type customer. This customer is now ready to be synchronized in E-conomic. I will now click on Save and Close. Let's switch over to E-conomic and wait for the customer to be created. After refreshing the page, you can now see that the customer that we had created in CRM has been added to E-conomic. Upon viewing the details of the customer, you can see that all information has been synchronized from CRM. Let's go back to Dynamics CRM to show you that the customer is updated with the account number from E-conomic. While we are here, let's change a few things. For instance, let's change payment terms in the account name to show you how these synchronize back to E-conomic. After refreshing the page, you can now see that the account name and payment terms have been updated in E-conomic. Let's go back to Dynamics CRM and create a new order for this customer. This solution will synchronize products, units, and the price list from E-conomic to Dynamics CRM. I will now add a product to this order and save it. Only submitted orders will be sent to E-conomic. This Submit button will appear once you activate integration mode in CRM. Once again, information regarding integration mode is described in the documentation, which can be found on our website. The link will be shown at the end of this presentation. When the order is sent to E-conomic, it will have a status of submitted. Let's go back to E-conomic and look at the order. As you can see, here is the order and the order line that we created in Dynamics CRM. It is possible to modify the order lines in E-conomic. These modifications can be made and will be synchronized to Dynamics CRM. With that being said, I will now add a new product to this order and hit send. Please keep in mind that only sent orders are synchronized back to Dynamic CRM. Okay, let's go back to CRM and view the order. As you can see here, the status has changed from submitted to fulfilled. This indicates to CRM users that the order has been sent to the customer. Upon opening the order, you can now see that the order lines have also been updated. The customer has accepted this order, and we are now ready to send an invoice. I will now upgrade this order to invoice and send it to the customer. Again, only sent invoices are synchronized back to Dynamic CRM. Let's go back to CRM and wait for the invoice to be created. As you can see, here is the invoice. As we scroll down, you can see that this invoice is attached to the order that we have created. Please take note, when an invoice is attached to an order, the status of the order will change to invoiced. Let's take a look at this list of orders. Here, you can see the status of all these orders, including those that have been invoiced. Let's have a look at some of the invoices. Here, you can see all of the invoices, including those that have been billed. This concludes our demonstration of the solution for Dynamic CRM and E-conomic. Remember, you were able to make modifications to this solution through a point-and-click environment without the need of coding. You can also implement a different solution for Dynamic CRM and E-conomic by building your own solution. And finally, you can use the Scribe Online connector for E-conomic to share data with systems other than Dynamic CRM. For more information about the Scribe Online connector for E-conomic, please visit our website at economic.cowia.com. Thank you for watching.